Welcome to this video, where we'll explore one of the most common pain points in Jetpack, Compose development, updating data class properties efficiently. If you're a Kotlin developer working with Jetpack Compose, chances are you've encountered this issue at some point. In this video, we'll dive into the world of data classes and explore ways to optimize property updates. Data classes are an essential part of any Kotlin project, providing a concise way to represent simple data structures. However, when it comes to updating their properties in Jetpack Compose, things can get a bit tricky. The default approach might not always be the most efficient or elegant solution. In this video, we'll discuss why this is important and what we can do about it. We'll take a deep dive into the inner workings of data classes, explore the problems associated with updating their properties, and examine alternative approaches that can help you write more efficient code. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to optimize your data class property updates in Jetpack Compose. Let's start by looking at how we typically update data class properties in Jetpack Compose. We usually create an instance of our data class and then use its copy function to create a new instance with the updated values. While this approach works, it can lead to unnecessary object creation, which might impact performance. One way to address this issue is by using mutable state holders, like mutable state or mutable snapshot. These allow us to update individual properties without having to recreate the entire data class instance. However, working with mutable state can be error-prone and requires careful consideration of threading issues. Another approach is to use a more functional programming style, leveraging the power of immutable data structures. By using persistent data structures or zipper data structures, we can efficiently update specific parts of our data classes without having to recreate entire instances. This approach might require some additional setup, but provides a much more efficient and elegant solution in the long run. Let's consider an example where we have a simple data class representing a user with properties like name, email, and phone number. If we want to update just the phone number, using the copy function would result in creating a new user instance with all properties copied from the original except for the updated phone number. By contrast, using a mutable state holder or an immutable data structure would allow us to update just the phone number property without recreating the entire user instance. Before we conclude this video, let's summarize the key points discussed. Updating data class properties in Jetpack Compose can be inefficient if not done correctly. The default approach of using the copy function can lead to unnecessary object creation and impact performance. Mutable state holders, like mutable state or mutable snapshots, offer an alternative, but require careful consideration of threading issues. Immutable data structures, such as persistent or zipper data structures, provide a more efficient and elegant solution. In this video, we've explored the challenges associated with updating data class properties in Jetpack Compose and examined alternative approaches that can help you write more efficient code. By understanding how to optimize your data class property updates, you can improve the performance of your apps and make your development life easier. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with optimizing data class property updates, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you learn something new. And consider subscribing for more content on Kotlin and Jetpack Compose development.